Doop, 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 doop. Bam, 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 bam. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I have some stuff that arrived today. My cryofuel tubes, some new PETG tubes, and some thermal paste. You may be figuring out what am I gonna do with this, but today I'm gonna be upgrading my system. There's a new 360 rod. I'm gonna upgrade from the 2080 in here to the 2080 Ti. This guy's been sitting here for a while now. I was just waiting on the coolant to arrive, and due to all this COVID stuff going on, delivery has been a huge mess. For you guys should know if you're ordering anything off Amazon, all of these places. That's what I'm going to be doing today in this video. If you're new here guys, hit that subscribe button. If you're returning, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be removing the 2080 from the build. I'm going to be putting the 2080 Ti in there, and I'm also going to be spraying the case as well. I've never sprayed the case before, but I thought, you know what, we're in isolation, so I might use the old rod and the new rod in there if the water block actually works on the GPU. If it doesn't, I'm just gonna leave the GPU as it is and water cool the CPU. So this is what the video is gonna be about today. Just gonna be upgrading my GPU, spraying the case, and maybe I will give you guys a little room tour. So without further ado guys, I'm just gonna take this down, so strip it down, and I'm gonna do a time lapse of most of it, maybe not all, but I'm gonna do a time lapse to show what I've done, how I done it, and then I'll show you the final product at the end. So let's not waste more time and let's get into it. So now the PC is downstairs guys. All I have to do, first of all, I'm gonna be draining the PC. This is gonna be a headache, but I have to do it. The thing about this build is this was my first water cooled build, and I didn't think about a drainage port, which is ridiculous, but now I know better. That will be fixed, but I have to actually tilt this some kind of way to get it fully drained, but that's what I have to do, so let's continue. That is gulping guys. Can you see this? Can you see all the build up in here? This is why I wanted to change this as well. So yeah, this is the GPU out, and we shall continue. Hopefully this GPU block can work. That would be so cool. If not, like I said, I'm just gonna place the 2080 Ti as it is into the case without the water block. Yeah, 2080 out, 2080 Ti in. So yeah guys, this is it. The frame's done, rod's done, panels, everything, power supply on the floor. The place is a complete mess, but it's all in a day's work.